Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate and search for articles on the British Journal of Sports Medicine resource. From the main page of the British Journal of Sports Medicine website, you will notice the following tabs on the top of the screen, such as Latest Content, Current Issue, Archive, Browse by Collection, For Offers, Resources, Podcasts, and About. Latest Content will provide for you the most up-to-date articles that can be found on the website. Current Issue will provide you with the latest British Journal Sports Medicine journal and what articles it contains. Archive will provide for you an archive of British Journal Sports Medicine articles from its most current issue, dating back to the first issue released in 1964. Resources will provide a list of key publishing resources by the British Journal of Sports Medicine publishing team. Podcasts will provide you audio podcasts from the British Journal of Sports Medicine team, consisting of over 250 episodes on SoundCloud. To see what articles are available for you, we'll just click on the Advanced Search button next to the search bar. For the following example, we'll just type in medicine as our term they search for. And in the limit results section, we're just going to select the open access articles option. And then finally hit the submit button. You should now find yourself in a results page, which should look like this. To read one of the articles, so for the following example, we'll just select Sports Medicine in Wonderland, Keep On Running. We will now be taken to that article to read in a text format like so. Or you will notice on the top right of the article's title, there's a PDF button. If you just tap on the PDF button, it'll take you to the following page where you can read that in a PDF format. On the left side of the screen of that article page, you'll notice that there's an article info button. If you just click on that, it'll bring up details such as who the authors were, as well as publication history.